Hey Cutie fans, are you ready for the Cutie creation of the day? We are making a birdhouse, we are making a birdie feed house, and then we are making My Little Ponies, and then we are going to open a shop can. First we gotta open it. Here's the directions. And here's what we are going to be playing with. That's okay. So let's get started. That's what the girl always says. Yeah, that's that one.
That's it.
First, you gotta take out your supplies. So we have this kind of glue. And then we have a special glue thing to glue on our gems. Then we have this rope to hang it. Then we have these beads to put on it. Then we have these cute little gems. Then we have these little cute themes for decorations. Today we're making this bird feeder. So we're gonna take out all the pieces, and then we're gonna start painting and building. Make sure you put down paper towel and get a cup of water to clean the brush off. Can you help me?
Yep.
So now we have to lay out the pieces. Then we're going to get the paints all ready. Then we're going to start painting. Then we're going to use these things that I just showed you. And that's all we're going to be using. Then we're going to do these shop cans. Then we're going to do My Little Pony. And then that's it. Let's start painting. Now on to the next piece. You clean the brush off, then we're going to get more paints, and then we're going to paint again. Now we put it in water, get it all cleaned off, then we get another paint, and then we start painting again. So my mom's gonna be right back, and then we can get moving again. But you know, we're still moving. Now we dry our brush off, and then we get another paint. this. Okay. Now I have this done. Now we are going to clean our brush off. And we're going to start painting. After we're done with this, then we are going to go on the Shopkins, which I just told you about. And after that, we're going to go on the My Little Pony.
I got you a bigger paintbrush.
Oh, thanks.
Oh.
It's okay if you get paint on you and it washes off really easily. Now that we're all done with this, we're going to move on to another. And we're going to wash our paintbrush off, and we got a new one because my mom bringed it. Now we're going to be doing the other rooftop.
What color do you want to do that one, Macy? How about green?
Green? Green is my favorite color, though.
It is. That's my favorite color, too.
Mine too. Hey, don't you steal my favorite color.
I will if I want to.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
All right, fine.
Yay!
2 more post left.
Now we're done. Now we're going to do 2 more posts left. Now we're washing off our paper. And my mom's right next to me. And she'll probably put her face in the camera, but she doesn't want to. What color do you want me to do this?
Blue?
Hey, blue is my favorite color.
I thought green was your favorite color.
No. Now we are going to be moving on to this. Painting the brush. You know, wash it off. Okay. Now I have this done, so now we're going to paint our paintbrush off. Now we have to let it dry. At the end of every video, we are opening up a mystery. My Little Pony. Who do you think's in there? And I think Blossom's in there. So now that these are all dry, we are going to do our birdhouse. So let's get started. So we're going to take the glue and we're going to glue these pieces on. And my mom's going to help, and she's right here. You can probably see her hands in the camera. She is going to glue the base top. And she's taking the cap off of the glue. And then after the glue's on, we're going to start building. I'm so excited! Okay, let's get started. So now I'm going to put my blue piece on there with my mom. And we had to cut a little of them off because we didn't get the right pieces. But it's okay because we have scissors here, which we are going to use. And I bet you already saw our Shopkins and our My Little Pony. Now we'll do the other blue one. Then we're going to do this one piece. Here's our base. Now we're going to glue on these. Perfect! Now we're doing the roof. Kind of looks like a roof. Now we attach our string and put pretty beads on it. And this is glitter glue if you want to put glitter glue on it. So, this is our birdhouse. We have some gems and we have some pretty beads. And we have a string to hang them. And now, moving on to our surprise bags. The first one is a Shopkins. Now let's get started and open it. The first one is Millie Mushroom. Here he is. And the second one is Dennis Ball. Now moving on to our little pony bag. Pepper Dance. Alright, that's it, Cutie fans. We're going to do another video tomorrow. So you can watch it, and it's not going to be the same after all, but we're going to do the same after all in this. We're going to do another one of these, and then we're going to open a surprise bag and another Shopkins. Then we're going to do a more surprise bag, probably only surprise bags. Be sure to write in the comments what our next surprise bag is going to be. Bye, Cutie fans!